That's its like claim to fame.
Oh, I might borrow your GoPro there on the
Yeah.
plate there.
Yeah, that's full throttle.
Very good.
Yeah.
See, that's what the model thing
Yeah.
But it doesn't have the weight. Oh, there you go. Nice.
Oh, it flies lovely. Just how I imagined it would.
Thanks for that.
For this?
Yeah, it looks quite a nice.
Yeah, you probably won't be able to build it though. It's for the same reason that I haven't built it up until now. But without the really dense foam, you just can't get it stiff enough.
How much does it cost?
Like £200 for the kit, something like that. Yeah. That's why I was going to pay £70 just for this at the start. So yeah, then I offered him 100 for this and the fling. And then he offered me £90 for both of them because he had 2 Blizzards that he was selling and this was the slightly worse one. But I didn't care at all. They were both the same to me. I think this one had a slightly lower power motor, but I'm probably going to put my own motor in anyway. So yeah, look, it just completely sticks off. It's lovely. It's a helicopter speed controller. So it's like starting up slowly. It's like this is full power straight away. Can you hear the ramp up? It's yeah. Oh yeah, it's lovely. Right. Yeah, the Model V could be similar to this. Oh no, it doesn't like flaps. Really doesn't like flaps. It just didn't have any roll control at all.
No?
No.
Yeah, what happened to the thing as well?
Yeah, you will. Well, no, you shouldn't on the Hornet because you've got elevons, haven't you?
Yeah, I have elevon, but
it's still 9 up. Well, the biggest problem is it's the adverse yaw when you have the aileron there. You then don't have any differential between the ailerons, so it's all you get loads of yaw in the opposite direction. Oh, oh yeah, that's great. Oh, and the Watt 4 is fixed, and I sorted out, so it's now like,
looks nice.
Yeah, much better.
There you go.